We toured one of the most exquisite homes in all of Dallas-Fort Worth on the market right now. And let me tell you, that entertainment factor, triple wow. And the young ones, they are gonna think it's like a paradise. I mean, we have a trampoline park, a bowling alley. Let me just say it's wow. And for the adults, let me just say, you're gonna feel like you're at a 5-star resort, your own private retreat. Hello, my name is Dana Pollard and I'm a real estate agent in Texas, and I help you narrow down where to live as well as find that special home for your family. So if you want a private tour of this home, then feel free to reach out to me, and my number and email are listed below. Or if maybe this home isn't for you or you need help, fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below and we can get a Zoom call scheduled with my team. Thank you so much for watching. This home, it is ideal for the family who wants privacy, or maybe you need that entertainment within the home for personal reasons, or maybe you just want the entertainment because you want to have big parties. This home is for you. And flanked off both garages are separate apartments, so this home has plenty of room for guests. And hey, if you are a car collector, there is a 9-car garage with room for lifts, as well as if you want to build additional garages, there's plenty of room on the lot. You have got to experience this home in person. Guys, cameras cannot do it justice. So if you want a private tour, contact me with my information is below. Or again, if you're looking at purchasing a home, then fill out the Dream Home questionnaire in the link below.